What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're jumping out on the boat, taking a look at these buttons on the new Terrova Advanced GPS handheld remote. So let's dive into it right now. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and go over these buttons on this new Minn Kota Terrova Advanced GPS. Of course, the anchor button right here will anchor you and spot lock you in place. You hit that button once, it shows spot lock. The motor is now going to spot lock you on point within 5 feet of where you're at. If you want to jog, you could jog over to the right, hit the arrow to the right, and you see we're going to jog over 5 feet, and then it drops you 5 feet over, and now we're back spot locked. So that is the jog feature and how to use it. If you want to jog to the left, you hit that left button, we're jogging back over to the left, and then we're going to anchor on point. I'm going to turn this anchor button off. That'll turn the spot lock off. Motor goes back to the direction it was faced before. This button right here is your menu button on the left. You hit it again, that is your back button. This is adjust your speed. The up, the plus, and the negative adjust that boat speed down. The left arrow turns the motor to the left. The right arrow turns the motor to the right. Of course, the middle prop button is to turn your motor on. You can see the prop is spinning on this remote. Now, while your motor is on, it's spinning, you have these two buttons here. This is going to hold your direction. Say you're pointed straight due north and you want to hold that direction and not have to be on your trolling motor so much. You hit that autopilot locked course. That is going to draw us dead in the direction we had set. You also have this little speed button right here. This is to set your mile per hour on your trolling motor, so you could actually say we're going 0.5 mile an hour on here. We could cruise control, up that cruise control a little bit, and that is going to lock our cruise control on a certain speed, which is now 0.8, 0.9, and we're heading straight north, and that is it. These three buttons here are your one boat network, different buttons for different things like deploying your trolling motor, deploying talon, shallow water anchor, things like that. So that is the remote control buttons on the Advanced GPS Terrova Minn Kota motor. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. A little dive into all the buttons and how to work around on this handheld remote for the Advanced GPS Terrova. And please like, subscribe. We got a bunch more videos coming up on Minn Kota stuff and Humminbird. So like, subscribe, comment down below. We'll see you on the next one.